Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can play treasure digging mini game and grow a garden game of Roblox new Christmas update. Okay, let's get into it guys. The treasure digging is back. You can go to the shop right here and you can select dig now. And you will have 10 digs for free guys. And here you can start to dig to get treasure or reward. And wait, let me choose randomly. Oh, it's missed. Oh my god, what should I do? I'm going to dig it here. Oh my god, missed again. Okay. Wow, okay. Let's see what we got. Okay. Oh, I got Luna stem seed. And yeah, that's so cool. Okay guys, and that's how you can play the treasure digging mini game and grow a garden Christmas update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.